Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today we are making one pot chicken, rice, and gravy that will satisfy your whole family. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, let's get straight into this video. Alright guys, I'm starting off with 12 chicken legs that of course I am thoroughly washing. And then once I wash them, we're going to get to the side and we're going to do our seasoning. I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Slap Your Mama seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of Magic salt-free seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground pepper. We're going to give that a good mix up. And I almost forgot guys, I added a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and put that tablespoon of Italian seasoning in. Now this dish doesn't call for salt because we are using 2 cups of chicken broth, which is already salted. So now we're going to go ahead and season our chicken. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put olive oil, drizzle olive oil all over our chicken, 1.5 tablespoons. So once you drizzle the olive oil on your chicken, now you want to go ahead and mix it up so that all of the chicken can be evenly distributed with the olive oil. Once the olive oil is evenly distributed, you can start and put half of the seasoning on top of the chicken. Once you've placed the seasoning all around on top of the chicken, now you can go ahead and turn the chicken over and season the other side. Once the chicken is seasoned all over, now you want to go ahead and mix that seasoning inside of your chicken. You want to go ahead and just keep turning your chicken until the seasoning is nice and blended and it is inside of your chicken. This is how it will look when you get done. Alright guys, for our rice, I am using the Vigo yellow rice. It's already seasoned, it's already washed. I love this rice. It's going to give it an extra kick and extra flavor. It's authentic Spanish, has an authentic Spanish recipe. But you feel free to use any type of rice that you like, so don't worry about that. So now we are ready to brown our chicken. So with some hot oil that I've already warmed up, we are going to go ahead and brown our chicken on both sides. This is approximately going to take about 5 minutes per side. I have a fairly large pot, so I'm going to do 6 pieces per batch. So we're going to brown this batch. Like I said, I sped it up, so it's 5 to 10 minutes per side. Once it's brown on one side, then you're going to go ahead and brown it on the other side. Once the chicken is brown on both sides, you're going to go ahead, take it out, and just put it in a pan and sit it to the side so you can do your other batch. Or if you only have a few pieces of chicken and you're doing rice with it, then you can get to the next step. But I still have one more batch of chicken to brown. Alright, once all of our chicken is brown, I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of more of olive oil, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. We are ready to start stir frying our vegetables. Once the butter is melted, go ahead and we're going to go ahead and start browning our onions. I'm going to brown these for about 2 to 3 minutes, just stirring them around, making sure I get up all of the bits from the pan. At the bottom of the pan, you want to go ahead and use a wooden spoon or a silicone spoon to get all those bits up off the bottom. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our peppers. I'm not using green peppers, I'm using yellow, orange, and red bell peppers, but you can use whatever color you like. So we're going to go ahead and stir that around and get those nice and sauteed as well. Once we've sauteed it, I'm going to just add a tad bit of adobo salt seasoning. I know I said don't add any salt, but I just like to add a little salt to my vegetables because it brings out the flavor so much better. So after we do that, and it's the final minute, we're going to go ahead and add our minced garlic in. And you're going to go ahead and pop that in, give it a good stir, and you're just going to stir this for about 1.5 minutes until you can start smelling the aromatics. After 1.5 minutes, we are ready to go ahead and take our peppers and onions out and just put them into a bowl to set to the side so that we can start preparing our rice. Now I'm just going to add another tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm going to add my yellow rice that's already has seasoning in it and it's already washed. If you are using a white rice, make sure your rice is rinsed, and then you're going to do the same thing in the same pan. Just stir it around. It does have seasoning, so I'm going to go ahead and break up that seasoning. But if you're just using regular white rice or jasmine rice or whatever rice, just stir it around in the olive oil until it's nicely coated. After it's all coated, we're going to go ahead and add our 2 cups of chicken broth. I made this homemade, but you can use whatever kind of chicken broth that you like. It's low sodium if you like. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to stir our chicken broth up in the rice. Make sure that it's all coated. Then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. And this will just dilute the saltiness of the chicken broth so that it won't be too salty. So I'm going to add that. And once I do that, we want to go to get it to boiling. We don't want it to boil too much, but once it gets to boiling, we are ready to go ahead and add all of our pieces of chicken. This dish is going in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. So you can add all of your chicken. You can place them on, stack them on top. All of the chicken will be cooked just evenly. So go ahead and add all of your chicken. And don't forget to add all of your pan juices from where your chicken was resting. Alright, once you've added our chicken, go ahead and place your peppers directly on top of your chicken. Once you have done that, we are basically done. You're just going to put your lid on. And like I said before, you're going to put your chicken and rice into a 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. And after it is done, we're going to take it out, and basically dinner is ready, guys. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. Look at that. Delicious. Like I said, this chicken rice makes its own gravy, so you don't have to worry about doing any extra steps. And there you have it. That is dinner. If you could smell when I take that top off, it smells so good. It has my kitchen smelling great. All right, we're going to go ahead and plate it up. As you see, that's the chicken. That's the chicken. That's the rice. And you can see the gravy at the bottom. If you want, you can just go ahead and ladle your gravy on top, and dinner is served. Tell everybody to get ready for dinner. There you have it. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Go ahead, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. I hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye and enjoy.